The STAHLWERK Mini FLUX 120 ST digital with a top rating of 1.1 and state-of-the-art IGBT technology. Thanks to its intuitive operation, this device combines flux, electrode, and Lift-TIG welding in one system. And with Flux-cored wire, you can weld completely without shielding gas.
It is perfectly suited for use in the workshop, the garage, and for outdoor applications.
Electrodes ignite reliably, ensuring a powerful and deep penetration. Using Lift-TIG, you are able to weld with precision and reliability. It's perfect for thin materials, providing a clean appearance and fine control over the welding current. It is robustly built and protected with an IP21 rating. It is resistant to wind and weather, supported by smart cooling technology. It comes with a 7-year warranty and a comprehensive scope of delivery.
Unpack it, connect it, and you'll be ready to go in no time.